1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the difference between hope and wish. Hope is a desire for something that is possible to happen. I want to go to the beach tomorrow. I hope it's sunny. I feel terrible. I hope I get better soon. Wish is a desire that is not true or cannot and probably will not happen. He doesn't live in Hawaii. He wants to live in Hawaii. He wishes he lived in Hawaii. I don't have hair. I want to have hair. I wish I had hair. He's not good at playing guitar. He wants to be good at playing guitar. He wishes he were good at playing guitar. Give it a go. Try making sentences using hope and wish and leave them in the comments below.